While technology and modern agriculture continue to advance, questions surround data usage, ownership, utilization, aggregation, and distribution.
Since the 90s, the major data set that's been collected was harvest information. But now we're collecting everything that's happening with that machine. So there's machine data, there is planting data, there's application data. So there's all different types of data sets that are all being recorded from every pass across the field has the potential to be recorded. Through John Deere, there's a couple different ways of moving data off of those machines. Okay, so it is stored on a display. From that display, you can take a USB stick and move it into a desktop software and store it at your own facility under your own maintenance. If you have a John Deere piece of equipment and are utilizing an MTG or basically a cell modem, that data can be moved wirelessly from the vehicle to what we call the operations center within the My John Deere website. Some of the questions people ask is who owns the data, who is in control of the data. John Deere, when you sign on to the operations center, which is the cloud-based data storage for John Deere, you have to accept a data user agreement with that. John Deere has a website. It is the John Deere Trust website. If you just Google John Deere Trust, you'll get sent to a website and you'll see how that data is used and is shared or not shared, depending on how the customer wants to dictate that. There's a lot of information out there coming off a lot of different vehicles, and different customers are not all green. And so the intent is to make a platform through the operations center where then the customer can then dictate where that data flows if they're using another software company or third-party provider that's helping them edit that data and manage that data.
Drones are another tool used to gain data. At Michigan State University, Professor Bruno Basso is working on ways to make this a part of a regular farm plan.
The ultimate goal is to improve use of nitrogen and water at the field scale. So to do that, we integrate different pieces of technologies. Here is one of it, use of drones. We also use airborne imagery and satellite. So we integrate all the remote sensing platforms. They get connected into a crop simulation models. We also look at with the drone to estimate, the uniformity of the stands mainly in corn, trying to be able to quantify that in the model and then run different types of scenario to see when is the best time to apply nitrogen and what is the risk associated to that particular decision that they make, whether they decide to put 100 pounds versus 120 pounds.
Corey Eschker is a farmer near Bad Axe in the Thumb and owns Thumb Drone Works.
The first thing that I think comes to most farmers' minds is being more efficient in their scouting, being able to look at their fields quicker, more efficient. You're able to see a lot of things from the sky that you're not able to see from the road. That being the number one thing. The drone's not going to eliminate walking and scouting your fields, it's just going to make you more efficient. When you have an 80-acre field of corn, you're not going to be able to see the center of it, whether you're walking it or driving around it. But with a drone flying above, you'll be able to see if there's something going on.
Thoughts to consider. Improved technology has the potential to make farmers more profitable. Has enough been done to ensure collected data is secure? What practices should be in place to ensure sensitive information is protected? While improved drone technology opens doors to opportunities within agriculture, should there be federal or state regulations regarding their use?